What do you have there? What is that?
A salamander.
If you really want to show young students and young children the wonders of salamanders and how much the densities can be, how great the densities can be in a little area. I mean, these ponds are less than a hectare, and you could pull hundreds of salamanders if you set traps and dip net. You can show children and young professionals. You know, there's this biomass is quite incredible. I mean, these are terrestrial species that derive all their energy from the terrestrial environment, and they transfer a lot of this energy in the form of eggs and larvae back into the aquatic systems. So it's really an integral part of the aquatic food chain in these ephemeral ponds.
And bottom.
Those spotted
I liked exploring to find salamanders and their eggs, and newts, and frogs, and anything you could think of that was in the pond, except fish. I learned about how to tell the difference between a male and a female newt or salamander, I forgot. I learned how they lay their eggs, and I learned what they actually feels like, and stuff like that.
Yeah, some of that snot.
I've been wanting to be a scientist before, but this makes it even cooler.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.